Hi, now today's topic is going to be about food around the world, especially breakfast. Now, breakfast is a very important part of the day. It is the first meal of the day. Now, it's very different in various places around the world. For example, I'm an American and I eat a lot of bread in the mornings, like maybe pancakes, waffles with eggs, bacon, sausage. Now here in Korea, it's actually super different because I had a lot of vegetables for breakfast. Maybe some eggs or maybe some soup to start your day up. Also, maybe China is also similar. A lot of vegetables, maybe a little bit bread from Korea and China, like a little bit of bread, but mostly like eggs, vegetables, soups, and stuff like that, kimchi. And in Mexico, actually, it ranges because we also eat a lot of bread, but we also start the day off with maybe tacos already in the morning. We just add egg to it. Breakfast taco, add egg. So that's it for breakfast around the world. Thank you. Bye.